Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be for Family Dollar for the 5 off of 25 for September the 10th. But as you see, I don't have a smiley face on this one. Family Dollar, what's up with y'all coupons this week? Anyways, as I always tell you, I'm here to do realistic deals. I'm not just going to get any old little thing just to throw in my basket to get just the lowest out of pocket. I want to get items that we can actually use in the house. So with that being said, this out of pocket is a little higher than normal, but Family Dollar is kind of playing us on the coupons and the deals this week. I will still try to play around and try to come up with some other deals, but go check out my Dollar General deals if you're not happy with this one. So anyways, you're going to want to pick up one Vaseline Intensive Lotion 10 ounce for $4.85 with a $1 off coupon. One Suave Body Wash for $2 with a 75-cent off coupon. One Arm & Hammer toothpaste for $4.10 with a $1.50 off coupon. One Game Fling 14 count for $4.45 with a $1 off coupon. One Game Dryer Sheets 105 count for $4.45 with another $1 off coupon. And also you're going to want to pick up one Glade 2 count candles for $6.15 with a $1.50 off coupon. So once again, you guys, these coupons are not that high, and there's not really too many deals that I see going on at Family Dollar, but your total is going to be $26, so we hit that $25 mark. Then you're going to want to subtract the little $7.25 in coupons, which brings us down to $18.75. And then once that 5 off of 25 comes off, you guys, you'll be paying $13.75 out of pocket plus tax for all of these items right here. Now, granted, you have some hygiene items, some oral care as well, some laundry soap, and some smell goods for the house. Maybe this deal isn't too bad to you guys, but I think it's a little high, but I still feel like it's still a decent deal because you're getting hygiene and household items. So for $13.75, here are the items you will need to go pick up. And if we break this down just a speck further, it's only $2.29 per item. So technically, I guess that's not too bad. I hope you guys have a good day. And once again, if I come up with some more breakdowns for Family Dollar, I'll post them here. Make sure you guys go and download all of these digital coupons. Make sure you clip that 5 off of 25 and get all of these coupons clipped as well to your accounts. Enter your number at the register on Saturday and all of your coupons should come off. I hope you find this deal helpful. Once again, if I find some more deals at Family Dollar, I'll post them here.